If you're looking to add precision drilling to your DIY setup without sacrificing space, a mini drill press might be your perfect solution. Today, we're reviewing 5 of the best compact drill presses on Amazon that prove small doesn't mean weak. Let's begin with the BERXOL Mini Drill Press, a well-reviewed and affordable option that combines portability with precise control. It features a 795 CNC motor and a B10 chuck, capable of speeds up to 7,000 RPM. This makes it ideal for jewelry making, light woodwork, and other delicate craft tasks. It's built with double guide rails, which keep the vertical motion smooth and reduce vibration during drilling. The small base takes up minimal space on your workbench, but it still offers enough stability for accurate work. Users appreciate its low noise and ability to handle small bits with ease, making it one of the most user-friendly options for first-time users or hobbyists. Next up is the NOVELLIFE Precision Benchtop Mini Drill Press, another popular pick among model builders and crafters. It uses a precision linear bearing design and a robust metal frame that keeps the entire structure sturdy during use. Like the BERXOL, it features a B10 chuck and supports speeds up to 7,000 RPM, but its standout feature is the adjustable 24-volt power supply that allows for variable speed control. This makes it incredibly versatile for different materials, from soft plastics to thin aluminum sheets. It's also compatible with CNC upgrades and accessory mounts, giving more freedom to tinkerers who want to expand its capabilities. If you're looking for a compact yet expandable unit, NOVELLIFE is a fantastic choice. Our third pick is the MEFAPE 7-speed mini drill press, a slightly larger benchtop unit designed for users who want more control over their drilling speed. This model has a built-in 7-speed gearbox that allows you to switch between various torque levels depending on the material. From wood to soft metals and even ceramic tile with the right bit, MEFAPE handles a broader range of materials than most entry-level models. Although it's not as compact as BERXOL or NOVELLIFE, it compensates with a wider table base and better depth control. Users also note the impressive build quality, with a cast metal frame that minimizes vibration even at higher speeds. If you're serious about getting clean, centered holes across multiple materials, the MEFAPE offers the balance between power and portability. Then there's the LAKIX small benchtop drill press, another 7-speed option that prioritizes quiet operation and clean precision. This model stands out for its incredibly low noise profile, which is perfect for shared or indoor spaces where heavy machinery might be disruptive. It supports most bit sizes used in jewelry work and hobby crafts, and the chuck is easy to tighten and loosen without tools. The LAKIX also includes an adjustable platform that tilts slightly for angled drilling, a rare feature in compact units. Many customers choose this drill for engraving, resin work, and detailed woodworking. It's also an Amazon's Choice product, which says a lot about its balance of price, quality, and user satisfaction. Finally, for those who want a bit more power in a still compact frame, the generic 340-watt mini bench drill press is an excellent high-wattage alternative. With a 340-watt motor and a 3-speed selector switch that allows RPM ranges between 1,000 and 16,000, this drill press can handle denser materials like hardwood and aluminum plates. While it's bulkier than the others, it's still significantly smaller than a full-size drill press and offers greater performance range. It's a solid pick for DIYers who occasionally work with thicker materials but don't want to invest in a full industrial unit.